Prime Minister Narendra Modi took centre stage today to unveil yet another pet project, Skill India Mission, which Modi believes can make India the human resource capital of the world. Skilling India is central to achieving Modi's Make in India and Digital India dream, and which is why he is taking a close interest in the project.
भारत के लिए सबसे पहली अगर कोई प्राथमिकता है तो देश के नौजवानों के लिए रोजगार उपलब्ध कराना, रोजगार के योग्य नौजवानों को तैयार करना। टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी तेजी से बदल रही है, अगर हमारी ट्रेनिंग डायनेमिक नहीं होगी तो हमारा वो व्यक्ति रिलेवेंट नहीं रहेगा। अगर चीन की पहचान दुनिया की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री की है तो हिंदुस्तान की पहचान दुनिया की रिक्वायर्ड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का कैपिटल बनने की बन सकती है।
But government data shows that skilling India will be a daunting task. India has only 3.5% skilled workforce, which is pale in comparison to other developed countries, a statistic which needs to dramatically improve because 119 million workers will enter the workforce by 2022. The government hopes to fix this by improving access to vocational development, removing obstacles to skilling, leveraging technology and promoting entrepreneurship programs, and that is why they have set an ambitious target to train 402 million workers by 2022. Experts say states and industry will have to work in a mission mode to achieve this.
We need this kind of attention and rigor from the top. We also need all the stakeholders to work in mission mode with passion and commitment to a larger cause of empowering our youth so that every Indian and India as a country achieves its highest potential.
While Modi's drive to skill India is already under fire from opposition, which calls it its repackaged scheme, all eyes will be on how he can deliver on his promise of skilling India, from idea to execution, even as he fends off his political turmoil. Ruchi Bhatia, ET Now, New Delhi.
It is an excellent initiative and it is long overdue, and I'm glad that it is not only being launched, it is launched with the personal ambition of the Prime Minister to change the way Indians will work in order to create in them the skills that are required for them to be proud of doing, earning their doing, to contribute to increasing productivity. And I think it is quite an extraordinary initiative.
We can employ 10 million people in the next 10 years. Means 5 million are already here. We need 5 million more people in the next 10 years. And the basic problem is the 5 million that we have, a large portion of them were never trained. So what we are doing now is that we are from the ground level raising the awareness.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.